Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of G-Shock watch accessories with one of the best replacement straps available on the market. If you're a fan of Casio's tough and reliable G-Shock series, you're going to love what we have in store for you.
Let's talk about the natural resin replacement watch band strap.
This strap is designed to fit a variety of G-Shock models, including the G8900, GD100, Georgia 110, and many more. It's crafted from non-allergenic waterproof natural resin, making it both durable and comfortable to wear. What sets this strap apart is its versatility and build quality. It features anti-skid lines on the back, ensuring a secure fit during all your activities. Plus, the stainless steel buckle adds an extra layer of durability compared to plastic alternatives. Installing this strap is a breeze. It comes with a free set of matching spring bars and a handy tool, allowing you to swap out your old strap in just a matter of seconds. No more struggling with complicated installations. One of the standout features of this strap is its material. Made from natural resin, it's not only lightweight but also soft and flexible, ensuring maximum comfort throughout the day. Whether you're hitting the gym or heading to the office, this strap keeps up with your lifestyle. Now, let's briefly compare it with other options on the market. Unlike cheaper alternatives, this strap combines affordability with high-end materials, making it a favorite among G-Shock enthusiasts. Before we wrap up, let's address a few common questions. Yes, this strap is compatible with a wide range of G-Shock models, but remember to double-check your watch's lug width before purchasing. To sum it up, if you're looking to upgrade or replace your G-Shock strap, this natural resin replacement watch band strap is a fantastic choice. It's durable, comfortable, and designed to enhance your G-Shock experience. I hope you found this review helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product critiques like this one. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tuned to Product Critique for all your gadget and accessory reviews. See you soon!